So we're moving bales here, and we got to stack them like 3 high in the shed there. And it's kind of a pain if you just have the single spear in the middle because the bales like to twist. This one had 3, well 4 I guess. 1 center prong and then 3 smaller prongs for doing big square bales. The center one's more for round bales, but these will stabilize the bale. So you can see we've been hard on it, and we broke 3 of them off here. So we bought 2 of them a while ago when I still had the 3rd one on there. So we're gonna try to cut the old ones out. You can just see there's a nut on the back side. That's what they look like. So we'll cut the back side off. I can't get them loose, so cut them off with a torch and then see if we can pound them out of there or twist them or something. Try to get them free. Let you know how it goes. So we cut the nut off of it, and we've been beating on it, but she is not coming. So we're gonna try a different theory on the middle one. We're just gonna try heating it up and seeing if we can get a pipe wrench on it. We did try to get a pipe wrench on this one, and it is just not moving. It must be just stuck in there. At least get the nut off first, then give ourselves something more to beat. So what ended up working was heating up the whole sleeve here, this sleeve, and then beating. We used the air hammer here, and then a maul, and then it finally popped loose. So loosened up the nut, heated up the nut first so we get it loose. I'm probably gonna have to cut it off because it's all mushroomed over now from beating on it so hard. And then hit it with a maul a bunch of times and the air hammer, and then she finally popped free. So you can see, that's what we were going for. All right, so we got the second one out now too. This one, I had cut the top off, and then I'd actually cut the back side of it off too to try to relieve some of the tension and cut it out a little bit. I was able to get it out without tearing out the piece on this part of the bale spear. So got to be kind of careful with the torch. Anyway, got 2 of them out. That's all I have anyway. Probably should get the 3rd one out, but we'll deal with that once I get the 3rd spear bought. So this time I put some anti-seize on them just in case I break it off again, which I am 100% sure I will in the next 20 years.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.